In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IF formula in Smartsheet to quickly identify whether tasks are overdue or still on track. We'll walk through a simple, practical setup that gives you instant status at a glance. First, decide where you want the result to appear. This is typically a status column, and the cell you choose is where the formula will live and where the outcome for that specific row will be displayed. Click that cell to make it active. Start by typing an equal sign to begin a formula, then enter the IF function. In Smartsheet, IF is designed to check a condition and return one value if the condition is true and a different value if it's false. In our case, the condition is whether the task's start date has already passed. Right after IF, specify the condition as the start date at the current row compared to today. You'll reference the start date cell for the same row using the @row reference, which tells Smartsheet, only look at this row's start date, then compare it to the today function. Today is built in and always returns the current date, automatically updating each day so you never have to edit the formula later. Use the less than symbol to ask, is the start date earlier than today? If it is, the condition evaluates to true. Next, provide the true result. Enter the text overdue to flag tasks where the start date has already passed. Then add the false result, on track, which appears when the start date is today or a future date. In plain language, the formula compares the start date to the current date and shows overdue if the date is in the past, or on track if it's not. A few quick tips will help you avoid common issues. Make sure your start date column is a date type column and double check that the column name in your formula matches exactly, including capitalization and spacing. Keep the words overdue and on track inside quotation marks because they're text values. If your sheet uses a different column name, update the start date reference accordingly. The @row reference ensures each row evaluates its own date correctly. So once you've confirmed the formula works in one row, copy it down the rest of the column. To make the results easier to scan, consider adding conditional formatting so overdue appears in red and on track appears in green. That visual cue can make priority decisions much faster. That's the full walkthrough of this IF formula in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, please like the video, leave a comment if you want more formula explanations, and subscribe for more practical Smartsheet tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.